These are the elevators at the Aloft Hotel in Durham, North Carolina. These are Otis Gen2s. This one. Look how nice these cabs are. Got to 6. They're not key carded, which is nice. Here we go. How's music in the elevators? What's it rattling? Cab material. Here at 5. Or wait, no, it's 6, not 5. Here at 6. Back down the lower lobby, LL, whatever that is. Fiestas are really loud on this. Certificate installed in 2015. These are nice cabs with like images and some Durham images, the rest of just generic imagery. It's like fabric that you can just peel off. It's stainless steel underneath. Which makes sense because you're not going to really be visible here. We're back at LL. I should probably but since it's just fabric, they should probably redo these every once in a while. This is the A bank. I don't know if there's something else here because these are 3 tiers. There's probably a 1 somewhere here. They're closing. That's going to be at